Okay, so I'm currently in Zurich West, which is a sort of former industrial region to the west of Zurich city centre, which has now been redeveloped as a sort of financial hub. But one of the very cool things about Zurich is it has a pretty extensive public transportation system with trams. Now the tram system's pretty extensive with lots of stations like this. I've been on it quite a lot and there's some very impressive point work. What I found particularly interesting about this area, which I haven't been to before, is as you can see we have this set of tram lines here running underneath the flyover. But what's interesting is if we go up those stairs just over there. It's a trolleybus. So no rails, as you can see, but running purely electric on a set of overhead wires. I think that is pretty awesome. So it's trams down below and trolleybuses up on top. How cool is that?